Hey, Glorious Gossip Gang. So I'm back as promised. We're going to do this 5 and below sweatshirt together. I will come back on tomorrow to do the matching pants. So I have already had my image pulled up. If you guys want to know the website of where I got my image from, please comment below. I don't want to list it out there due to copyright infringement acts. So I'm sending my image to the printer right now. And once the image comes out, you want to make sure you're putting the image into the direct to fabric powder as soon as possible, because it is wet and the powder helps your image adhere to your fabric. So like I said, guys, I'm just making sure that the direct to film powder is evenly coated on all of my ink. I did have to cut and make this image a 2-piece image because you can only print so large with using Cricut Design Space. If you guys would like me to make a video showing how to actually make your images more larger using Cricut Design Space, I will be more than too happy to help out. So my second part of my images is coming through. I'm going to fast forward through this part because I don't want to bore you guys to death. So I will be right back with the rest of this process, and I hope you guys like it. Okay guys, so I got all of my images saturated in the direct to film powder that I have already pre-done. Now this is my sweatshirt with the matching sweatpants that I showed you guys that I got from 5 and Below yesterday. So I'm excited to show you guys how the final product will come out. I do not test run any of my products. What you see is what you get, and that makes it more exciting to me. Here is the second part of the design that I have already pre-dipped. I just wanted to add this in so you guys can see all of the images that will be placed upon the garment. So right now I have my garment on my heat press. I have already pre-pressed and pre-rolled, lint-rolled my fabric. And right now I'm ready to start laying my images onto my canvas. So I am positioning Lisa Simpson with the Supreme headphones onto the center of my sweatshirt. I will then carefully tape her down, and in my opinion, you can never use too much tape. I did try to overlap the design since I had to make this image larger, and so I would like to see how that comes out. Right here I'm showing you guys what direct to film I am using. Shahiri and the direct to film powder came along with it. I purchased it from Amazon. I believe it was actually on sale for about $13. My image, like I said, if you guys want to know, I will individually comment you guys back. I just don't want to like air everything out due to copyright issues. So right now you're gonna continue to see me lay my pieces down. In my opinion, you can never use too much tape because you do not want your image to shift, especially with this direct to film and powder. I mean, any little scrape, it messes up your image. So I am carefully laying down each image, and I will be back to show you guys my final results. Okay guys, so here's the big reveal. Please tell me what you think. I do see a little bit of line, so we now know that we cannot overlap the direct to film like sublimation paper, but I'm really satisfied with how this came out. You guys already know what I'm going to say. It's glorious. Who would have thought getting something from 5 Below and making something so cool out of it? Please comment below and tell me your thoughts. If you want to know where I'm getting my images from, please ask me personally in the comment, and I will make sure to get back to each and every one of you. God bless you all for the New Year's. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. God bless. Have a good day.